Hey, yo, what's good? YouTube, Instagram, everybody watching this. It's your boy Nico.BigDrip, and today I'm going to teach you how to make some real New York hoagies. I'm here with my lovely assistant, Jay. And first, we want you to start off with some red, yellow, green, orange bell peppers. Chop them up real good. Yeah, they should look something like that. After, get you a nice purple Prince, purple rain onion. Yeah, chop that up real good. I don't care what type of meat you use, ground chicken, ground beef. I like to use ground turkey. Throw some salt, mix it up. Look at the flick of that ribs. Yeah, that look delicious. All right, here she is, still chopping it up, chopping it up. Here I am. Turn on your stove. Again, don't worry about that. That's some leftovers from last night. Grab all your bell peppers, just toss them in the pan. Just toss them in the pan. Flick that wrist, flick that wrist, flick that wrist, flick that wrist, flick that wrist. I'm on fire. Look at that. That boy's on fucking fire. All right, remember them onions she was chopping up? I want you to throw all them onions, mix them in with the bell peppers. Flick that wrist. After you mix them in with the bell peppers, I want you to dump all of that into whatever meat you was using. Remember, I told you I don't care if you use steak, I don't care if you use ground beef, I don't care if you do what I do, use ground turkey, chop you up some carne. It's all gonna work the same. It's gonna work the same. And I want you to go grab your favorite cheese. I like white American, so I'm gonna throw some white American in there. Throw some white American in there. I'm gonna let it simmer a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I don't like to use the Kraft one in the refrigerator because that one doesn't melt well for some reason. Don't use the Kraft one in the refrigerator. It doesn't melt well. You see how this melts? Melts right into the turkey. Like, that's why I use white American. It melts right into the turkey. Get you real cheesy. Then once you go grab some Miracle Whip, get you 2 hoagie buns, 3 hoagie buns, however you feeling, throw it on there real quick. I just like to squeeze and go. I'm gonna squeeze and go. Boom. Get you some lettuce, tomato, throw it on there. Get you a cheesecake. You feel me? Get you some blue Doritos, red, whatever you prefer. Yeah. They ain't believe in us. God did. Yeah. 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 And just in case you ain't got no lettuce tomato, you can just eat that shit with some hot fries.